Whenever I get a chance, I will try to do a day hike, since my surrounding area is luckily perfect for that. Plus on these trips I get a proper chance to test out most of the review samples. As with any video of this kind, these kits are always a work in progress, seeing what works for you and adapting along the way. So here's mine, primarily a lightweight and efficient kit designed for a few hours. This is my backpack, a C2 Summit packable one that weighs pretty much nothing. It fits exactly what I need, my canteen system and some food. Regarding official specs, it has a volume of 20 liters. In its pouch, once deployed, I like to keep my keychain if I don't have zip pockets that day. Even though I don't plan for nightfall, it doesn't hurt to have a flashlight with you, especially since this one acts as my power bank as well. Thanks to its 21700 5000 mAh battery, this Workhorse TS22 gives me extra peace of mind. I also covered it in a previous video. Water is critical and I wanted a compact way to carry it. I found this military canteen style from Nalgene alongside a pouch for it, or like my friend Will likes to call it, its own jacket, to which I attached some leftover straps for extra reach. Here are some expandable towels. Now here's the Nalgene Oasis bottle. It carries 1 liter or 32 ounces and it's made of triton, which is a highly impact resistant plastic, and it's of course BPA free. The jacket has 2 side pockets and it's MOLLE compatible as well. In this one I keep a glow in the dark pad and my trusty Victorinox Pioneer X, which as you know is an overbuilt variant of the regular Swiss Army knives. As a side note, I highly recommend the Farmer X since that one has a saw blade as well. As for the other pocket, I decided to integrate my Dyneema EDC wallet because it's waterproof. Inside I left some multifunctional paracord, the one with tinder, fishing line and sewing thread. A couple more expandable towels, a moleskin patch, and I just used some band-aids, so I will refill those off camera. Some wooden sporks from my corner shop, perfect for my on-the-go meal deals, and some salt packs. A button compass, nothing fancy, and that's the Type-C to Type-C USB cable to charge my phone from my torch, and then finally the handy big lighter. All of these complement my keychain system where I have a backup mini torch, a pen and another Swiss Army knife which I made myself. For those who know what an Alox Rambler is, I invite you to watch this video. So yeah, this is my solo quick hiking kit, and these trips have made me optimize all my other gear, so expect many more videos to come. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.